I just, to be honest, haven't had the motivation to record. Hello, and welcome back to another Cruisin' with Corey. We are dusting the dust off of our GoPro and actually taking it out with us here on a gorgeous Saturday afternoon, late May here in southeast Massachusetts. I haven't made a video in about 2 months, as you've seen. I have been gigging. I've still been working, and things have debatably been better than they were when I was making videos a couple months ago, but I just, to be honest, haven't had the motivation to record and edit. You know, it's not motivating when your channel's not growing and you're putting a lot of work in, and you see other channels that clearly do less work and have more success, and it just put me into a spiral of the grind is not fun for me right now. But we're gonna try again and be more diligent about actually editing videos and taking you along for the ride and doing news updates and putting out multiple videos a week. I sort of have more motivation, so hopefully you're here and listening to me say this, and you will be along for the ride in this procedure. But right now we're headed to the zone. It's 8:30 in the morning. We're probably doing an all-dayer today, and being a holiday weekend, I think it's going to be busy, so let's hope that it is. I'll let you know what I get when I get it, if I get it at all. Alright, forgot that I was even doing anything because about 45 minutes since that last clip, but we finally took a DoorDash order, a $7.50 for 3. Forgot to get a screenshot because I suck, but we are going to Wendy's for some breakfast action. Not going too far away, $7.50. Been to this address before, know exactly where I'm going. Wendy's is right here. Let's go get it. Oh, and I know this has been going around, but Uber is going to interrupt me here with a terrible order. But this is one of my first ever top customers, so we are going to treat this with the utmost love and care. All right, our tip went up $1 on our top customer. So thank you, Mr. Nicholas, I believe your name was. And we're back. Again, we're not far away. We're really hoping for some grocery runs. I mean, last week, what was it? No, it was 2 weeks ago, Mother's Day. I made the most money on DoorDash I ever made in my life. The amount of shopping pays was absolutely ridiculous. And I made, I don't know, like 150 bucks in DoorDash between like 8 and 12 because everyone was getting their flowers in. So kind of gave me hope for a holiday weekend being good. I thought everyone would be ordering their last second grocery orders for burgers and hot dogs and steaks and everything else, but so far not the case. Haven't really seen more than 2 or 3 Walmart offers. They were all terrible. Instacart is pretty quiet. Everything is like 30 miles away, which tells you there's not a lot of offers going around, but we'll see what happens. Need some money. We're at $8.50, and in the first half of the day I'd kind of want to get to like 100 before 2, take a break, and then come back out for dinner. That's my goal, so we gotta start getting some moolah in here. All right, awful day, which is evident by the sky because it was sunny when I recorded the last clip, and you could see these death clouds in the sky, which but we did accept an order. It's a shop and pay for Dick's Sporting Goods. Someone wants a croquet set, evidently, so we're gonna go find it and drop it 8 miles. It was 17 for 9. Again, I mean, it's still $2 a mile. Not my ideal order, but sitting in the parking lot doing nothing is also not my ideal, so let's go get it. So this is the worst Saturday morning I think I've ever seen. And just look at this. This is Uber. $19, 44 miles. That's a Walmart.com order. 8 stops for 44 miles for 19 bucks. It's asinine. But yeah, I did that Dick's Sporting Goods order. I drove 9 dead miles back. No DoorDash, no nothing. Let's check this out live. We got a $16 shop here for one item going 6 miles. It is just a toy. Can't show you that, but I can show you that. So you know what, we're gonna do it. It's one item. So again, you gotta take out your bias sometimes, because like I said, a 16 for 5 DoorDash order is amazing. A 16 for 5 Spark order is meh, it's all right. But for one item, one toy, let's go get it. And worst case, if they don't have it, I'm pretty sure I get full pay anyways. So let's go running. All right, we're at lunch now. Things are getting a little bit busier. Forgot my screenshot again because when I get bored, I just lose my focus. But we just took a 6 for 1 DoorDash. Nothing great. Just dropping Chipotle off at a hotel. It just started pouring outside, and that caused me to turn down some other orders. But I mean, there was nothing amazing. But I don't know, just noteworthy stuff. So yeah, let's go to Chipotle. Probably gonna call this video soon after this one, and we'll do a part 2, and that will be the night shift, which I expect Saturday night to be a lot busier. This is kind of a bust. We're not gonna get anywhere near a $100 goal. I think we'll be at like 50 something after this one, but is what it is. Let's go get it. Right, immediately after that, we just took this order that I did get a screenshot of, $7.75, Papagino's, which is a local chain pizza shop. Pretty good pizza though for a chain, but $7.75. It's only 2 items, no pizza, so it should be ready, and we'll be able to bang that out in like 5 minutes, and still keeps us in the zone. So lunch is helping us out here. Still haven't heard a whisper from Walmart though. So we'll see what happens. And oh, we're getting a good beep on Uber, but we can't take that yet. It doesn't stack. So lunchtime's looking pretty promising, and the sun came back out. Hooray! Well, sort of. It stopped pouring. So maybe we'll still get 100, just not the way we expected it. All right, so we're back in the car. They hadn't even started the order, and for $7, it was not worth waiting 10-15 minutes for. So we'll cancel that, but luckily there seems to be a lot of other stuff to choose from right now. So let's see what happens. I got a couple shopping order. There was just a shop that came up that was pretty good for Ulta Beauty, but not, yeah, there's no business with us going into Ulta Beauty. We got 11 for well, 17 for 11. I'm on a cash flow day today, so that's actually not terrible. It's not good. I would not normally take it, but on days where you just want cash flow, $17 isn't that bad, especially if it's easy miles. Jersey Mike's, we got a $6 for 3 miles. I'm not taking a Jersey Mike's for that low of miles, because Jersey Mike's is terrible at lunchtime. Something I do want to talk about too, I don't know if you guys have seen this or how long you've had it, We're actually too busy. I can't have a talking point now, but I'll let you know when I do accept something. All right, that didn't take long. We just took a stack, 13 for $5. We are going to Panera, and then we're going to Tropical Smoothie. They're basically right next to each other. And both orders are straightforward houses that I've been to before, so should be pretty quick in principle, assuming that the orders are ready. So yeah, let's go get it. All right, we tried parking right in the middle. There's Panera, there's Smoothie. Tried parking right in the middle so we don't have to move twice. All right, we got our goods. Now we're just gonna walk down to Smoothie. All right, I just dropped off to the airport. Didn't want to bring the camera in because it's busy. There's a little restaurant here too. They don't do DoorDash. But yeah, this is our local municipal airport. There's actually a lot of debates going on here. They want to extend the runways and everyone's saying no. But yeah, they're whatever. DoorDash is pretty busy evidently. We're not taking us 8 for 8. Still nothing on Spark. I'm flabbergasted. I'm sorry. I'm not gasted, I'm flabbergasted. And
I'm not just gasted, I'm flabbergasted.
This is all just ridiculous Ubers. Which gets to the point I wanted to talk about. We have flat rate pay on Uber now. You know, earn by time, and when I click on it, you know, earn $20 an hour. I don't know how well this is showing up, if at all, but earn like $20 an hour, $22 an hour, active hour plus tips. You're allowed to decline up to 2 orders or it'll kick you back into the regular Uber earning mode. But the caveat now is they've extended the ranges, and if I can see one that comes up, I'll screenshot it. But they've extended the range of like how far they'll send you a delivery from. We'll take this. Like, I have seen deliveries come through that have been from like restaurants that are 15 miles away from where I live. So like, do you want your food being delivered? But they're doing that because they know you don't want to take it, and they know that you will quote-unquote have to take it if you want to get that payout. But all the while, just took a DoorDash order for CVS, so we're going to do a little shopping for 3 items for $12. Looks like we're getting milk and candy, so good pairing. And this is another top customer, so we will give forth our best effort. So let's go to CVS. They have 1 gallon of milk in the store, and it expires tomorrow. So I'm reaching out to the customer to see if she wants it, because I wouldn't. Just doing my diligence, decent tip on it, so we'll see what she says, if she says anything. All right, that was an absolute headache and a half. They didn't have the milk that she wanted. So I was going through and being a good little soldier and trying to chat with her and giving her the options, and the only thing that was even remotely comparable, she said she didn't want. So don't quite understand it. She's just gonna get candy, and I'm trying to get my pro shopper bonus over here, and because I had to issue a refund and she rejected a substitution, I'm gonna lose out another percentage point on my items found, which there's the stats right over there. You get an extra $1 per shop, but due to circumstances out of my control, I can't get it. But whatever, beauty of DoorDash is the tip won't go down. It's guaranteed, so it is what it is. But we'll do this as our last order before we kind of have our little lunch break. So let's just go drop this off quickly and summarize things up. Holy crap, thank you, customer. So that whole experience I was complaining about, she appreciated my diligence evidently, and she added $5 to the tip. So that's a $17 order right there. So absolutely fantastic stuff. I'm still getting orders. I'll summarize, blah, blah, blah. We're just gonna call it right now video purposes. So as of now, this is what we have made. If I do anything else, maybe I'll update it, but as of now, this is what we've made. Basically all on DoorDash with just one small Spark order. So that just goes to show that, you know, Walmart is not what it used to be, and my inklings of Memorial Day being busy, well, Memorial Day Saturday being busy are wrong. So like, share, comment, subscribe. I promise we'll have more videos coming out. And it'd be nice if we can have some more friends come along for the ride so we can continue having fun with this, which will keep my motivation up higher. But that's going to be Cruisin' with Corey. Corey out.